what do you want to say about this soup?
We eat it once a week because it's so good, and the kids actually like it, and it's full of vegetables and chicken, and it's super healthy and just comforting. And what do you want to say?
I always feel so fancy making this one. Look at me chopping the carrots like a real chef, Julia Child.
Oh, that's my favorite part. Oh, wait. My favorite part is coming.
What?
I love how you measure garlic with your heart. It's one of my favorite things about you.
Always. And for everyone out there that's like, you can't have jarred garlic. Look, I do not know one Guido, and I am from where all the Guidos are from, who does not have garlic in their fridge.
Do not skimp on the seasonings in this soup. Season while cooking and after cooking. Season.
Lots
Very
and
important.
lots of stuff. You want to put all the things in. And
Plenty
then
of butter, plenty of seasoning.
Like, butter and garlic should both be measured with the eye. in all cases, unless you're baking, I guess.
This is my favorite part.
Chicken slam! And then the cats were screaming at me, so
kitties.
I was like, have a carcass. And the cats were like, don't mind if I do! And 1 quart of urine. Just kidding. It's chicken stock. And you have to make it boil, and then you make it not boil, and then you throw in all the chicken.
Yeah, and those rice packets are, not only are they super quick, but they have even more seasoning in them. So everything is just very flavorful.
Yeah.
It's our favorite way to cook.
That's real good. This is my favorite thing you ever made for me. Heavy cream or half and half. I like half and half because if you use the heavy cream, you can add a 1/4 cup of it. But just see what it turns out like for you first.
Over a slice of sourdough.
Yes. I toasted sourdough, and then I just drowned myself in the bowl.
Try it.
No.